like a perfect night to dress up like hipsters and make fun of our exes.
I have a Humble office studio space. I can't believe it. We have a room and I'm so excited because, as you guys know from vlogs and stuff, I have been working from home, which has been great and also a dream to be able to do that. But I'm 21 and I just feel like staying at home all the time has just been making me feel pretty unmotivated and uninspired, and especially with wanting to like take Humble Ego to the next stage and be able to meet with people and vlog the whole process for you. I was like, it'd be so cool to have my own place to do that. So this is a space, obviously a mess. We have the Humble Ego poster that I'll put up, and then we have a little place in here that I'll make like a little kitchenette. We have the bathroom, a mess. Dropped by before to the studio and gave me some little studio warming presents, which is just so cute. She got me like a smoky quartz mixed with like citron. Can you guys see that? It's like has the most beautiful like half pattern. I'm obsessed with it. I literally have been holding it since I got it. It's just so nice. And then she got me some sage to cleanse the spot, but it was so thoughtful, and it was like my first like person just like coming over and just chilling here while I like work, and it just felt so exciting, and I was like, this is what I want this space to be, just like a very productive, happy vibes studio where my friends can kind of drop in and out and work with me and kind of just live while I work. Yeah, I have to race home because my friends are going to be there in a second and we're just going to have a really nice chill spa night. Already smiling.
I'm so tired, I just wanna go to bed. And all the lights are out in my head.
Look at this. This is the coolest packing table ever. My dad just had it lying around and was like, this might work. And I was like, oh my god. I'll just get like a stool that I can either do work standing up or sitting down. Then I think I'll keep these couches here. And that table's really good for beading because it's on wheels. I can move it around and kind of like bead on the couches and stuff. And then I'm thinking here I'll put like a big mirror. but I am starting to actually get the office all ready. Ignore Eden, he's just doing some schoolwork behind me. But look at this. So pretty much, we walk in, this is gonna be different. There'll be a table here, and like I said, a mirror there. But this is all pretty much set up, and then I'm starting to put like stock of the necklaces up the top, and then I have all my like compostable packaging and everything there, and some of the beading supplies. And then the plant that I got, little Snoopy over here, have this little fern. I really hope I can keep him alive, but I've got a spray bottle, so hopefully I'll be onto that, because I am the killer of plants. And then we have the 2 couches. This guy will be hung up here, and I'll have the carpet that I bought as well, which I'm so excited to show you guys. But that's the space. I'm really loving it.
This new food the other day was
I fully played into it. Like I looked at them and I was like, it was 3 people just, and I was just cracking up.
And we're on. I'm in the office today. I just wanted to come in and get some work done because I was planning to get more work done yesterday, but as you guys saw, I ended up going to Patty's house. And even though I did do some beading, it was mainly just hanging out, and it was honestly so nice. Like, it's just such a wholesome, chill vibe, and especially Patty's going to Europe in like 2 weeks or something like that. Me and Tool are just like, we need to prioritize hanging out together before he goes, because who knows, the next time we'll all see each other. So it was really nice, but I'm like, okay, I need to start working. It's just been like, today's December 1st. It's the first day of summer, and it's just been raining constantly. Like in Byron, summer is actually like the rainy season, but like it's been like a week of rain, like constantly, and it looks like it's going to be a whole nother week of rain. It's like borderline flooding, and I like the rain, and like it's nice now that I'm inside, but just like every time I leave, it's just like exhausting. Like the roads seem chaotic, and like just getting places, I just get so soaked every time. I have a lot of like social stuff for December, like a lot of like, I don't know, I feel like December's always just so social, like end of year buzz. So I think it's gonna be a busy month, which I'm excited for, but I'm also like already overwhelmed. But I think it'll be good. But yeah, I don't know. I feel good. I do feel good. I feel good. No, I'm actually really good. That feels like I'm trying to convince myself, but I am good. I'm just definitely in a weird stage of life right now. I think it's just like some weird limbo transition stage. Like the office is new and exciting, but like not fully formed, and like just everything in my life feels like it's like almost there but not quite there, and I'm excited for like things to just start wrapping up. But I think it's just gonna take a while. Who knows what next year will be like. I was really thinking I was gonna go traveling, but now like with this new strain, I'm just like, I don't know. I hope that all of you guys in Europe and stuff are okay. I heard a lot of you guys had to go back into lockdown, so I'm feeling for you guys. Oh, it's so weird. It's such a weird time in the world, and it's so uncertain, and I'm just trying to get comfortable with not knowing and just being okay with it just all being like so random and chaotic. Also, I am wearing the Joy necklace, which seems to be your guys' favorite, and then I just wanted to say thank you for all the support and everyone who's been buying necklaces. I'm just so happy about it. I can't believe the Joy one is actually the best seller. For some reason I didn't think it would be, even though it's like my favorite. If you guys do want to get any necklaces and presents for people and friends or for yourself, this week is probably the last chance that you'll get to buy and it arrive on time. So I just thought to remind you guys in case you wanted it to arrive for Christmas, especially for people overseas. Other than that, I love you guys, and just mwah. Bye.